Durga is one of the most revered goddesses in Hinduism, worshipped by millions across the world. Her presence is felt in temples, homes, and hearts, where she is called upon for strength and guidance in times of need. She is the embodiment of feminine power and strength, representing the limitless potential that resides within every woman. Durga inspires people to stand tall, face their fears, and never back down from a challenge. As the protector of the innocent and the vanquisher of evil, Durga's stories remind us that good will always triumph over darkness. She is a guardian who shields her devotees from harm and injustice. Durga is worshipped for her unwavering courage and her boundless compassion. Her devotees seek her blessings for both inner strength and peace, believing that her love is as fierce as her wrath against evil. Durga's name itself means the inaccessible, signifying her role as the ultimate protector. She stands as a fortress, guarding her followers from negativity and misfortune and guiding them through life's toughest obstacles. She is often depicted as a beautiful woman with a fierce expression, her eyes blazing with determination and her posture radiating confidence. This duality shows her ability to be both nurturing and formidable. Her skin is often depicted as golden, symbolizing her divine nature and the radiant energy she brings into the world. This golden hue reflects her purity, wisdom, and the light she spreads wherever she is worshipped. She is adorned with jewels and carries weapons in her many arms, ready to face any threat. Each weapon represents a different power, showing that she is always prepared to protect her devotees from all forms of danger. Durga is a beacon of hope for those facing adversity. Her stories inspire people to believe in themselves, to rise above their struggles, and to find light even in the darkest moments. She reminds us that even in the darkest of times, courage and determination can prevail. Her festivals are celebrated with joy and unity, bringing communities together in the spirit of resilience and faith. Durga is a symbol of the power that lies within each of us to overcome challenges and achieve victory. Her legacy encourages us to embrace our inner strength, face life's battles bravely, and emerge triumphant no matter the odds. Durga's origins lie in the love story of Shiva and Parvati. Parvati, the daughter of the mountain god Himalaya, is the goddess of love, devotion, and power. Shiva, the destroyer, is initially lost in deep meditation. To win his love, Parvati undertakes intense penance. The gods, facing a powerful demon named Mahishasura, need Shiva's help. However, he is in deep meditation. To awaken him, they seek Parvati's assistance. Realizing the dire situation, Parvati takes on a fearsome form. She becomes Durga, radiating immense power and anger. This transformation embodies the strength of a woman scorned and the protective instincts of a mother. Durga's appearance is a sight to behold, radiating both power and serenity. Her form is a perfect blend of divine beauty and formidable strength, captivating all who gaze upon her. Every detail of her image is rich with symbolism, telling stories of courage, compassion, and the triumph of good over evil. She is most often depicted with 8 arms, each holding a divine weapon, signifying her ability to protect and nurture from all directions at once. These weapons, gifted by the gods, represent her multifaceted power and readiness for battle. Each weapon has its own story and purpose, reflecting the many challenges she faces and overcomes. In her hands she might carry a trident, symbolizing the destruction of evil and the restoration of balance. A discus, representing the cycle of time and cosmic order, and a bow and arrow signifying focus, determination, and the ability to overcome obstacles from afar. A sword, which stands for wisdom and the sharpness of intellect. A conch shell, heralding the victory of good, and a lotus flower, embodying purity and spiritual awakening. Her vahana, or mount, is either a lion or a tiger, both symbols of raw power and unyielding courage. This magnificent beast symbolizes Durga's fearlessness and her command over nature's power, reminding us that true strength lies in mastering our own instincts. The lion or tiger's roar echoes Durga's own battle cry, striking terror into the hearts of her enemies and inspiring her devotees to stand tall in the face of adversity. Durga's image is not merely meant to inspire awe, it is a living symbol, celebrated in festivals and rituals, that brings communities together in reverence and joy. It serves as a reminder that we are all capable of accessing inner strength and courage when we need it most. Durga's vision encourages us to face our own battles with grace, resilience, and unwavering faith in ourselves. The demon Mahishasura was not just any adversary. He had been granted a powerful boon that made him nearly invincible, a force to be reckoned with. His strength and cunning were unmatched, and he believed himself to be unstoppable. No man, no matter how brave or mighty, could defeat him. Warriors and kings tried, but all failed in the face of his supernatural power. Emboldened by this arrogance, Mahishasura unleashed chaos and destruction across the heavens. He terrorized the gods, driving them from their celestial abode and casting a shadow of fear and despair over all creation. Desperate and powerless, the gods gathered together and appealed to the mighty goddess Durga, seeking her divine intervention to restore balance and peace. The battle that followed between Durga and Mahishasura was nothing short of legendary. For 9 days and nights the heavens echoed with the sounds of their fierce combat, as Durga faced the demon's every trick and transformation. With unwavering courage and unmatched valor, Durga fought relentlessly, finally pinning the mighty demon down beneath her foot, showing her supreme strength and determination. In a decisive moment, with a final powerful blow, she pierced Mahishasura's heart with her trident, vanquishing him forever and ending his reign of terror. This glorious victory established Durga as the ultimate protector, the divine force who triumphs over evil and restores harmony to the world. Her story continues to inspire millions, embodying the eternal victory of good over evil, of knowledge over ignorance, and of courage over fear, a timeless reminder of the power of righteousness. Durga's legacy extends far beyond the battlefield. She is worshipped as a loving mother who protects her devotees from harm. People pray to her for strength, courage, and protection from all negativity. Durga's story is a source of inspiration for millions. She embodies the potential that lies dormant within us all. She teaches us to face our fears head-on and to never give up hope, even in the darkest of times. Her story continues to resonate in the modern age, reminding us of the power of courage, compassion, and determination. To delve deeper into the rich tapestry of mythology and discover more awe-inspiring tales of gods and goddesses, be sure to subscribe.